it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today I'm going to show you how to do a burpee with dumbbells. So when we do these, we are going to start with our dumbbells in our hands, standing. We are going to crouch down, get those dumbbells on the floor. We are going to then jump our feet back, come all the way down, chest to deck. Dumbbells are right below my shoulders, and then we're going to bring both of our feet up and under our bodies. Now, get your chest upright, because all we're doing at this point is just standing. We don't need to jump. We can modify this by coming down, like step, step, all the way down to the floor, onto our knees, step, step, stand. We can always jump back, step, step up, or step, step back, jump up, or even just jump back to our high plank, jump up. Just make sure that you get your feet under your body before you come up to stand.